Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 20% and make sure your phone has Bluetooth on. Connect the watch in the Realme Link app now. Once paired, grant location permission and enable high-accuracy GPS on the phone. After permissions are set, open the watch workout menu and select an outdoor activity. Tap the GPS icon to start acquisition. While the watch searches, stay still and keep the phone nearby so the watch can sync satellite data quickly and reliably. Once you've initiated GPS, move to an open area and hold still for a moment. Buildings and dense foliage slow satellite lock. You want the GPS icon to change from blinking to solid, indicating a fix. If acquisition stalls, make sure the phone's location mode is high accuracy and that the Realme Link app is allowed to run in background. If problems persist, stop the workout, toggle Bluetooth on the phone off and on. Then restart the GPS acquisition to force a fresh connection. Now start your outdoor workout only after the GPS shows a stable lock so distance and pace are accurate. During activity, keep the phone within Bluetooth range to maintain map syncing. Once finished, stop and save the session on the watch, then open Realme Link to sync the activity to your phone. If data is missing or GPS drifts, restart both devices, update Realme Link and watch firmware, or clear the app cache. These steps usually resolve persistent GPS or pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.